Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fantasy 11 prediction video. In this video, we will predict the Fantasy 11 for the match between Delhi Capitals and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Both Delhi and Sunrisers clash in qualifier 2 of this year's IPL. The winner of this match will play Mumbai Indians in the final. This is a match that will be played at high stakes as the loss will end a team's dream of winning the IPL title this year. Here is the Fantasy 11 for this match. Wriddhiman Saha. Wriddhiman Saha has made an impact on the team as soon as he was given a chance to play. He has looked to be in great touch in the 4 matches that he has played, and he has also played a match-winning 87. He has the ability to win the game for Sunrisers Hyderabad with the bat, and this makes him our first pick. Shreyas Iyer. Shreyas Iyer has been in great form this season. He has played crucial knocks to see his team through, and he has the ability to play big innings. He will be banking on his abilities to let loose havoc on the SRH bowling lineup to see Delhi Capitals through this game. This ability of his makes him our second pick. Shikhar Dhawan. Shikhar Dhawan has been batting beautifully this season. He seems to be unstoppable at the top of the order. His stomping 200s have boosted his confidence further, and there has been no looking back ever since. This match too, he will only be looking to get more runs to his name after getting out on a duck in the previous match. His ability to single-handedly win games makes him the third pick of R11. Kane Williamson. Kane Williamson has always been a dependable batsman for Sunrisers Hyderabad. He has the ability to play crucial knocks under pressure for his team, and he will look to do the same this game as well. He is a good player of spin bowling too. This game also, he will be using this game as an opportunity to continue the form that he has been known for a lot of years now. This ability of his to play beautifully in the middle overs and be a match winner with the bat for Hyderabad makes him our fourth pick. David Warner. David Warner has constantly been one of the top scorers for IPL for a few seasons now. His strike rate is good, and he has the ability to single-handedly win games for Sunrisers Hyderabad. He can play deadly knocks and win games alongside Wriddhiman Saha, which makes him the perfect vice-captain for this Fantasy 11 and also our fifth pick. Marcus Stoinis. Marcus Stoinis has proved to be a worthy inclusion to the Delhi Capitals squad. He has played some crucial cameos down the order, and he strikes the ball a long way. He has also proved to be a dependable bowler who has wicket-taking abilities. He will be looking to bowl with a slightly lesser economy rate, and he will pose a threat to the sublime batting order of Sunrisers Hyderabad. This thus makes him our sixth pick. Jason Holder. Jason Holder's inclusion in the side of Sunrisers Hyderabad made the team look more stable. He strikes at a massive strike rate of 140 plus and has picked up 13 wickets in just 6 games. He has the ability to win the game with both the bat and the ball, making him the perfect captain of R11 and also our 7th pick. Ravichandran Ashwin. Since his return from injury, Ravichandran Ashwin has been in good form. With an economy rate of just 7.50 and 13 wickets to his name already, he is looking to be in his vintage form with the ball. He will be looking to cause troubles for the Sunrisers Hyderabad batsmen with his variations, which makes him our 8th pick. Rashid Khan. Rashid Khan's unpredictable bowling makes him a massive threat. His googlies are deceptive, and he is a match winner with the ball. He can also play destructive cameos in the lower order for his team, and this only adds up to his value on the team. His economy rate is just too good this season, and this makes him our 9th pick. Sandeep Sharma. Sandeep Sharma has been in decent form this season. After a rough start that he has picked up 13 wickets in 12 games in total and has a low economy rate of just 7.16. He holds the record for the most wickets in power play overs and he swings the ball both the ways. He will pose a threat to the batsmen of Delhi Capital, which makes him our 10th pick. Shahbaz Nadeem. Nadeem has been a decent bowler for Sunrisers Hyderabad. He has proved his worth every single time he was picked in the playing 11. He picked up 5 wickets in 6 matches that he played with an economy rate of 7.22. He is capable of performing better than what his statistics suggest and he will be looking to prove the same in this game too. This makes him our final pick. These are the 11 players who we believe will make the highest impact on this game. Each of these players have the potential to win the game for their teams and take away the highest fantasy points to their names. Who do you think will walk out victorious and who do you think will have the highest fantasy points? And who do you think will play the final against Mumbai Indians? Let us know down below.